Okay, very good evening to every one of you, and welcome to the channel Academymaster, and this is your sir Kumar sir. Okay, so today we are going to discuss chapter 8, exercise 8.4. This chapter is this exercise, these questions, 10 questions which I'm going to do today, it's extremely important for both CBSE and Nbse students. So dear students, listen it very well, practice is 2-3 times each questions. It will be very good, because from here you will definitely get 3 to 4 mark questions. Definitely it is coming in your board examinations, and it is very easy also, but you have to listen, watch the video properly from the beginning till the end, then only you will understand something, or else it will be of no use. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, okay, so that you can get notifications in the coming days. Okay, to start with, prove the following identities. So question number 1, it is said cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta. We have to prove this one. Okay, this one is equals to this. So dear students, one thing I want to tell to you before we start the sum, that always remember, in most of the cases we are taking RHS. Okay, LHS we will be proving equals to RHS. It's not necessary that always we have to take LHS. You can prove by RHS also, but always remember those terms which are in cosec, cot, sec and all those things, or the side left or right, whichever side it is having more term, that side it will be always easier to prove it. Got it or not? So accordingly you have to take it. Okay, dear students, so fine, not wasting much time, let us start. So here it is given cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to this much. We have to prove. So first of all we will write it LHS. So LHS we will be writing what? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So it is given, we have written LHS. Now dear students, by the side I will be writing some formulas also. I will be just writing in the graph, but you should remember we have already studied what? Cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, and we also have studied cot theta is equals to what? Cos theta by sin theta. This formula I hope you remember it, because we have already studied this. Okay, in the exercise 8.1, 8.2 we have studied these things. Okay, so let's substitute this. In most of the questions you have to convert cosec or tan into sine and cos. Okay, in terms of sine and cos. So cosec theta is equals to 1 by sine. So I'll write here 1 by sine theta. Then cot theta is equals to what? Cos theta by sine theta. So whole square. Up to this it is clear, I suppose. Very simple it is. Listen very carefully and try to understand. Okay, again bracket. Now here you see we will take an LCM. So here LCM will be what? Sine theta. So how to take this one also I will tell you. As I have already told you earlier, some of you have problem in subtracting fractions and all. So please watch it carefully. What we will do, whatever LCM you have, that one you multiply with the given the fractions which is here. So what is the fraction here? 1 by sin theta. What is our LCM? LCM is sin theta. So sin theta cancel equals to how much? 1. So we'll write here 1. Okay dear students. Now again, what is the fraction here? Cos theta by sin theta. Got it? Into what is the LCM we got? Sin theta. So we'll write here sin theta. Cancel sin theta cancel. What is left here? Cos theta. So we'll write here minus cos theta whole square. Hope you are understanding. I'm going very slow. Okay, a very easy manner I'm going it. Okay, none of the videos in the YouTube you will find like this, in the easiest way, in the simplest way I'm trying to tell you. Okay, fine, let's start again. Now this is whole square, that means the square is for the numerator also and the square is for denominator also. So we'll separate 1 minus cos theta whole square by this square is for this one also. So we'll write here 1 sin square theta. Okay. Next step, if you remember, I have told you earlier, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So from here, if I want to find out sine square theta, it will be what? Cos will come this side, 1 minus cos square theta. Right. So in place of sine square theta, I can write it what? 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Hope all of you have understood this. Okay. So this rough work, I will be erasing it. Okay. So if you have taken down, it's good. If not, please pause the video and take it down. Okay. This is just a rough work. How it is coming, I'm showing you all this. Sorry. So I'm writing it here. So we'll write here 1 minus cos theta whole square by, this one is what? 1 minus cos square theta. So if I consider that there is a square on 1 also, if I consider there is a square on 1 also, then it will come into the formula what? A square minus b square. So formula is what? A plus b and a minus b. That is the formula, right? So it is a square minus cos square theta. So it is a square minus b square. 1 I am considering as a and cos theta I am considering as b. So a square minus b square formula, it is what? A plus b and a minus b. So we'll write it here. Our a is what? 1. Our b is what? Cos. So we'll write 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now you see, upside 1 minus cos square theta whole square, 1 minus cos theta. So these two are the same. This is square. So this one it will be cancelled. So now what is left here? Look at 1 minus cos theta. Upside it will be left. It will be a square. So it is cancelled 1. So it will be 1 by cos theta. So look at, this is equals to what? RHS. So we'll write here, therefore LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. So that's all. This much things only you have to do it. For doing these things you will be getting 2 to 3 marks, and the thing which you have to do is remember the formula properly. Okay. So dear students, you can pause the video and take it down. Okay. And for your information, I want to tell you, this question was asked in Cbse 2000. It was asked in 2013, 10 and 11. 3 years it was asked. Okay. So this question is very, very important. You should practice it properly. Okay. So you can pause the video and take it down. Okay. Now we shall move on to the second questions. It's very easy. Most of the students, they find it these questions very difficult, proving the identities, but it is actually very easy. The only thing is, watch the video from the beginning till the end and sincerely watch. Don't just watch it for the sake of watching. Okay, watch it with concentration, so you will understand everything. No problem here. Okay, so question number 2, what does it say? Question number 2, cos A by 1 plus sine A. Cos A by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A by cos A. This is the questions. We have to prove equals to 2 sec A. That is what we have to prove here. Okay. And this one also, it was asked in 2010, Cbse 2010 it was asked. In Nbse also it is asked. Okay, so don't think that sir is giving only Cbse, it is asked in our state board also. So I told you these 10 questions will be very important, extremely important. So let us take LHS as I told you. So cos A by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A by cos A. Okay, so what you have to do here, very simple. First of all, let us take an LCM. So LCM will be what? 1 by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Watch very carefully each steps, okay? Even though you know also, you watch it, you definitely will get to know something, learn more. Okay, so this is our LCM. What I told you how to add it, LCM into whatever fraction is there. So fraction is what? The fraction is cos A. These are rough work, okay? 1 plus sine A into, what is our LCM? 1 plus sine A and into what? Cos A. So you'll write cos A. 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A, cancel. Cos A into cos A. So it will become what? Cos square A plus. Similarly, again, whatever the fraction is given here, 1 by 1 plus sine A by cos A. And what is our LCM? Our LCM is 1 plus sine A into cos A. So our denominator is cos A, this one also cos, cancel. So what is left? 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. So 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. It will become 1 plus sine A the whole square. Okay, dear students. Hope all of you are understanding it. Okay. Next step, what you will be doing? You go for multiplications. Go for splitting the applying the formula. Cos A. What is this formula? What formula will be using? A plus B the whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. We will be using this formula here. Our A is this and this is our B. So it will be 1 square plus sine square A plus 2 into sine A into 1 divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay. In the next step, let's bring sine square and cos square together. So it will be cos square A plus sine square A plus 1 plus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay, so up to this I hope all of you have understood well. Okay, let us go to the next one. I'm going very slow, extremely slow. Okay, watch it every steps properly, you will understand easily. This is not at all tough. So this one is the rough work. If you want to copy, you can copy it in the rough side. Pause the video and copy it. Okay, now next step, how it will be. Let us move on to the next step. So the next step is sine square theta plus cos square theta. As I have already told you in the beginning, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. There is one identity. So this one, it will become what? 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine A by, what is the downside? 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay. Now, if you add these two, it will become 1 plus 1, 2 sine A by 1 plus sine A cos A. Okay. There, students, in the numerator you see there is a common, 2 and 2 we can take common. So we'll bring it up to, so what will be left? 1 plus sine A, and denominator will be 1 plus sine A into cos A. 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A, we can cancel it. So what we got it? 2 into 1 by cos A. So already, as I have told you, that 1 by cos A is equals to sec A. That is the formula. So 1 by 2 into 1 by cos A. So it will be equals to 2 sec A. That is what they are asking us to prove. So we got it. So we'll write here LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, very easy, right? So you can pause the video and take it down. Got it? Okay, so those who have not learned the formula, dear students, I request you all to learn the formula properly, because without formula it will be a little difficult for you to solve this exercise. Okay, got it? Okay, so you can pause the video and take it down. We will move on to the next exercise. Some of you have a phobia in the mind of trigonometry, but trigonometry basically it is very easy, one of the easiest chapter in maths, as well as very important for those who are looking at your career as an engineer. Okay. So question number 3. So question number 3, what it is, let's see. In question number 3 it is said tan theta by 1 minus cot theta, then plus cot theta by 1 plus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta equals to what we have to prove? We have to prove 1 plus sec square theta, 1 plus sec square, 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This is what we have to prove it. This question was asked in 2013 and 10, so it is important again. Okay, I told you this exercise, all the questions are very important, extremely important. So let's write again LHS. So tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. Let's do it. So first of all, let us change everything in terms of sine and cos. So how to change? We know tan theta is equals to what? Sine theta by cos theta. This one I have already told you. If you have not watched my previous video, I will be giving the link in the description box. You can click it and watch the previous video. You will be understanding these things. Okay, exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, all I have done. So cot theta formula is what? Opposite of tan theta, so it will be cos by sine. So this is the formula we are going to use here. Okay, so in place of tan theta we will write what? Sine theta divided by cos theta plus cot theta, what we will write? Cos theta divided by sine theta. So it will be 1 cos theta divided by sine theta, and here it will be 1 sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so up to this it is clear, I suppose. Very simple it is, so it is clear. Okay, now what you will do, denominators, you will be taking the LCM in the denominators. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, or else you just keep it like this. First of all, let's simplify the denominator first. Sine theta by cos theta. So here you will take an LCM. So LCM will be what? Sine theta. So it will be sine theta minus cos theta. Plus sign is there, so plus. Again, numerator you keep as it is, sine theta by cos theta, and denominator you take here, nothing is 1, so it will be cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay. In the next step, what we are going to do, see, this one is numerator, this one is numerator, and this is denominator. So when you are changing it, what it will happen, the denominator will go up and numerator will come down. It will be a reciprocal. So it is in division form. I am changing it to multiplication. Sine theta by cos theta divided, like that it is there. So I am changing it to multiply. When you change into multiply, denominator will go up. So sine theta by sine theta minus cos theta plus. Same thing we will do here. Cos theta by sine theta. It is divided by, we will change into multiply. So this one it will go up. So it will be cos theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Okay. So hope you have understood. It's not that hard. Okay, simple things only, basic mathematics we are using here. Okay. So in the next step, what we will be doing, let us move on to the next step. So next step, you can see sine theta into sine theta. It will become what? Sine square theta. And downside you keep as it is, cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Okay. Plus upside it will become cos theta into cos theta, or cos square theta, by sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Okay. Now what we will be doing, see here, cos theta is there, here sine theta. Okay. Inside the bracket you see here sine theta minus cos theta is there, here cos theta minus sine theta is there. So in order to make it equal, what we will do here, we will take minus sign common here. Okay, because we want to change it like this. So we'll write here sine square theta by cos, this one you keep as it is same, sine theta minus cos theta. So when you take minus sign here, this minus sign, when you are taking common, this one will come out. So it will become minus cos square theta. Again I am taking minus common, so this minus will come out, then this minus into plus, it will become minus. So it will be sine theta, and since we have taken minus common, so whenever you are taking minus common, remember dear students, sign will change, it will become opposite. Minus 1 will become plus, sine theta was minus, so it became plus, and cos theta was plus, it will become minus. Okay, now it is same, both is same. Okay, so what we will be doing here now, see, we will be taking an LCM again. So LCM will be what? This is cos theta, this is sin theta, different. So just multiply it, cos theta into sin theta, and this 2 is same, so 1 it will come, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so we got it. So this side, dear student, if you have finished it, pause the video and you take it down. Since I am running short of space, so I'll be using this side. Okay, so I'm rubbing it, you can take it down by pausing the videos. Okay. Okay. So I'll show you how we will take. This is the fraction and this is our LCM. So how to take it? Many of you will have doubt here, I know very well. So sine square theta by cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta. This is your fractions, and this one is our LCM. So multiply the LCM. I told you sine theta into cos theta, and what is there in the bracket? Sine theta minus cos theta. This is rough work. Okay. So sine theta minus cos theta cancel, cos theta cancel. So what is left? Sine square theta into sine square, sine or no? So it will become sine cube theta. I hope this one is clear, dear students. If you have not understood, again I am telling you, whatever fractions you have, that fractions you write it, and whatever LCM we got, you multiply with that, then you will get the sine cube theta. Again I will do it for this one also. Okay, so what is here? Cos square theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So sine theta minus cos theta cancel, sine theta cancel. So cos square into cos theta, it will be what? Cos cube theta. Cos cube theta. Okay, done. Now we have one formula, a cube minus b cube. Formula is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This is the formula. Okay, got it? So you have to keep it in mind. We will consider this as a and this one as b. We will be using the formula. So it will be what? Sine square theta plus cos square. Oh wait, sorry. It is first what? A minus b. So first write sine theta minus cos theta. Our a is sine and b is cos. Okay. So a minus b, sine theta minus cos theta into sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta into cos theta divided by same denominator, cos theta into sine theta, and this one will be sine theta minus cos theta. Very important question it is for 4 marks. Okay, so this rough work, if you have copied it, I will come down this side. Okay, so I'm moving on to this side. Little bit space ka shortage it is. Okay, so all of you please try to cooperate. Okay, so in the next step, what we will be doing, sin theta minus cos theta, and here it will be what, sin square theta plus cos square theta, so it will be 1, and then it will be what, sin theta into cos theta divided by what is there in the downside, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So you can see this one and this one, this term and this term is equal, so cancel it. So what is left, 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now you see sin theta into cos theta, it is dividing 1 as well as this one, so we'll separate it now. Okay, 1 by cos theta into sin theta, plus is there, so plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, so this is what I have already told you, dear students. There is one formula, 1 by sin theta equals to what, cosec theta. 1 by cos theta is what, sec theta. I have told you earlier, so we'll use that. 1 by cos, it will be equals to sec theta. 1 by sin, it will be equals to cosec theta, and this one is cancelled, so 1. So we got LHS equals to RHS or not? So right, LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay, dear students, so question is a little lengthy, but it is very simple. All the formula, all the steps I have shown to you, do it very carefully. Okay, and you can pause the video and you can take it down. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment in the comment box. Okay, dear students, very simple question, very important. Okay, so pause the video and take it down. Okay, so we'll move on to question number 4. So question number 4, it says 1 plus sec A by sec A, 1 plus sec A by sec A equals to sin square A by 1 minus cos sin square A sin square A sin square A by cos sin square A by, what is it, sin square A by 1 minus cos. Okay, minus cos. So these questions, it was asked in 2010, it was asked. Okay, so let's take here LHS. So LHS, it is what, 1 by sec A equals to sec A. So we know very well, as I have already told you, that sec A equals to 1 by cos A. So we'll use that formula, 1 plus 1 by sec A, we'll write 1 by cos A. Here also we'll write 1 by cos A. So it will be LCM if you take cos A plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. Now what we will do, this is divided, we will take it, convert into multiplication, then 1 cos A plus 1 by cos A into cos A will go up, 1 will come down, cos A cancel, so we got cos A plus 1. So we got LHS this one. Now we'll write, in this question let us prove both sides, because in all the question it is sometimes it becomes difficult to prove this one equal to this, so we'll reduce to some term, and then LHS will reduce it to some term, RHS also will reduce it to some term. Okay, so let's do RHS. Sin square A by 1 minus cos A. If you remember, I have told you the formula, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. We'll use this formula here. So sin square, I will write it what, 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 by cos A. Okay, so this one if I consider as a square, 1 square minus cos square, so it will become a formula what, A square minus B square, so it will be A plus B and it will be A minus B. So we'll write that our A will be this, our B will be this. So 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So cancel. So what is left? 1 plus cos A. So we have proved LHS and RHS both are coming equal. So we'll write here LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Got it? So you can pause the video, dear students, and you can take it down. Very simple question it was. Okay, see, you can prove this one equals to this also, we can do that. Okay, but we should not go act as over smart. Whichever is easier way, that one we should follow it. Okay or not? Which one is easy to understand? I feel that this one is easy to understand, so I have done this by this method. Okay, so you can pause the video and take it down. Now we'll move on to question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is also easy. Okay, let us do it. Question number 5. So question number 5 is extremely important, dear students. Okay, different method is given in your NCERT book, but we are not following that method. I will teach you by some other method. I hope you will like the method which I will be teaching you. Okay, cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals to, we have to prove cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A, we have to prove it. Okay, fine. So what we will be doing here is, okay, first we will write LHS. Okay, LHS. So LHS we will write it cos A minus sin A plus 1. Okay, then cos A plus sin A minus 1. So what we are going to do here is, we are going to consider this two, cos A plus sin A as one term. Okay, we are considering this as a one term and this 1 minus 1 as another term. Okay, got it? So in the next step, what we are doing, we are rationalizing it. Okay, so cos A minus sin A plus 1. So this is one term. Numerator, denominator will write cos A plus sin A minus 1. So as I have already told you, rationalization you might have learned in class 9, not might, surely you have learned. So this is one term and this is another term. So rationalizing means this sign will be changed and will multiply up and down. So it will be cos A plus sin A. Now minus will become what? Plus 1. And both we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with that, cos A plus sin A plus 1. Okay, I hope this step you have understood. Okay, if you are not understanding, you will write it rationalizing denominator just I have written, actually if I write rationalizing, that is enough, but I have mentioned here denominator. It is not rationalizing, basically we do for denominator only, okay, but I have just mentioned it, okay, got it? So what we will be writing here, now you multiply this whole term with this one, okay, got it? And so let's start. Let's multiply cos with whole term, then minus sine with whole term, then 1 with whole term, okay. Let's start. So it will be a little lengthy multiplication, but simple way it is, okay. So cos A into cos A plus sine A plus 1. Okay, done. Then what is the sign here? Minus. And what is it? Sine A. So we'll write here sine A, and it will be equals to cos A plus sine A plus 1. Again, next is what? Plus 1. So we'll write here plus 1 and multiply with that cos A plus sine A plus 1. Okay, now downside denominator. So let me change the marker. So denominator, if you see the denominator properly, this one is one term and this is another term. So this is, if I consider whole thing as A, so this one also A, and this as a B, so this one also B. So it is coming in the formula A minus B, A plus B. So formula is what? A square minus B square. So our A square is what? Our A is cos A plus sine A. So this one is our A, so whole square minus 1 square. Okay. Okay. Next step, let's multiply it. So cos A into cos A, it will become what? Cos square A plus cos A into sine A, it will be cos A into sine A plus cos A into 1, it will be cos A minus sine A into cos A, so it will be minus sine A into cos A, minus into plus, minus sine A into sine A, so it will be sine square A, minus into minus plus minus sine A into 1 sine A plus other things. So if you multiply with 1, it will come same only. So write cos A sine A plus 1. And denominator, we'll apply the formula A plus B the whole square. Here A, this is B, so A plus B the whole square formula, cos A square plus sine A square plus 2 sine A into cos A minus 1. Okay, so dear students, since I am running short of space, so I request all of you to pause the video. Up to here you might have understood. I am assuming that you have understood it, and definitely if you will watch step by step sincerely, you will understand. It is not difficult. I am doing it in the easiest way. Okay, so you can copy it down, pause the video and take it down. By the meantime, I will erase it and go ahead. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us proceed further. So now you can see in the next step cos square A, okay, minus sine square A, I am bringing it close together, then it will be cos A into sine A plus this is cos A, okay, another cos A is also here, so bring it together, cos A. Next is what? Minus sine A into cos A. Okay. Okay, then another one is minus sine A plus sine A plus 1 divided by, see, sine square A plus cos square A, it will be 1 plus 2 sine A into cos A minus 1. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, so we have written. So sine A into cos A positive, sine A into cos A negative, cancel. Sine A negative, sine A positive, cancel. So whatever things are left out now, we will take it down. Okay. It looks like lengthy, but it is not at all. Simple multiplications we are doing here, okay? So you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so cos square A, in place of sine I can write 1 minus cos square A, and what is left here? 2 cos A and plus 1. Downside, what is left? This one and this one can be cancelled, so it will be 2 sine A into cos A. Okay. Okay, so we will write here cos square A. This one you multiply with minus, so it will be minus into minus, plus it will be cos square A plus 2 cos square A, sorry, cos A plus 1 divided by 2 sine A into cos A. So see here, minus 1 and this is plus 1 cancel. So in the next step, how much cos square A? Cos square A, we are getting 2 cos square A plus 2 cos A divided by 2 sine A into cos A. Okay, fine. So in the next step, let us see what we can do. We can take common here 2 cos A. So if I take 2 cos A here it is cos square, so 1 cos will be inside, and here it was only 2 cos A, so it will be 1 by 2 sine A into cos A. 2 cancel, cos A cancel. So what is left? Cos A by sine A plus 1. So we'll separate it. Cos A by sine A plus 1 by sine A. So dear students, as I have already told you, cos A by sine A is what? Cot. So we'll write here cot A plus 1 by sine A is what? Cosec. So cosec A. So this is what they are asking us to prove. So we'll write here LHS equals to RHS. Proved. Got it? So this question you can mark star. It's very important for your board examinations. Okay, it's very important. It's not tough, just you have to do it sincerely. You have to multiply it, rationalize it, and apply some basic formula. You will get the answer. So pause the video and take it down. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next questions. Question number 6. Okay, so all of us, what we are doing, we are just skipping, we are forwarding the video and you are watching it. Like that, dear students, if you are watching, my efforts also to go waste, and you also will not learn anything. So for instead of if you really want to learn, then invest time, okay, and try to watch the video sincerely so that you can learn something, so you can get something from this channel. And if you are learning something from this channel, please don't hesitate to share with your friends also, because there are many students who are really suffering because of this lockdown. Okay, so it will be a great help to them also. They might be studying in other district, other state. Okay, you please help them out, okay, by sharing this video. Question number 6, let us do question number 6. Very simple question it is, okay, but it is also important. Okay, so question number 6, it is given 1 minus 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. We have to prove equals to sec A and plus 10A. So we have to prove this sec A into 10A. Got it, dear students? And these questions, it was asked in 2013 and 10. 13 and 10 it was asked. Okay, okay, fine. Let's start. So as I told you, LHS we will take it. So LHS 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A. Okay, So what we have to do here, 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A. Like this root over questions, if you get in place of sine, if it is given cos also there, so don't get confused, don't worry. Just you have to do is rationalize the denominator. So we have to rationalize it, okay? Denominator we have to change the sign and multiply. Rationalizing means change the sign of the denominator, multiply up and down, okay? So minus it is there, I'll make it plus, multiply up and down. Numerator and denominator both you have to multiply. That is called as rationalizing, okay? So we'll do it. Next, 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. So it will become what? 1 plus sine A whole square, okay? This is 1 minus sine A, 1 plus sine A. So that's same formula, A plus B into A minus B. Formula is what? A square minus B square. So A is this, B is this. So it will be 1 square minus sine square A. Okay. One more step, we can write it here. Then it will be 1 plus sine A whole square, right? And 1 minus sine square is what? We have already seen the formula. 1 minus sine square A equals to what? Cos square A. So we'll write it here. So we'll write it cos square A. Okay, fine. So we'll move down to this side, because downside if I write, it will not be visible to you. So root over 1 plus sine A. Okay, see here carefully, this one also square and this one also square, so we can write the whole thing as a whole square. We can write both the numerator and denominator as whole square, so it will be cos A whole square. So in the next step you will see this square and this root will be cancelled, so you are getting 1 plus sine A by cos A. So separate it, 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. Okay, so it will be equal to 1 by cos A is equals to what? Sec A, and 1 sine by cos is what? Tan A. So this is what they are asking us to prove, right? So we'll write here LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Got it? So it is very simple. In some cases, in some time, you will see that in some question papers in the exam board examinations, they may change it to cos. So don't worry, apply the same method, techniques, it will come. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can take it down. Okay, okay, so since the video length is becoming the video is becoming a little lengthy, so I think I thought of doing all the 10 questions, but I think I have to wind up because it will cross 1 hour. Okay, so let us do one more questions. Okay, question number 7, and remaining 3 questions we will be doing it in the next video. Okay, so question number 7 is sine theta minus sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta, 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos square theta, 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. We have to prove. Okay, this was also asked in 13 and 10. Okay, 13 and 10 it was asked. Okay, very simple question it is. Let's look at it, let's do it. Some of you, if you want, you can pause the video and you can try it by yourself, and then you can see the explanations. Okay, so sine theta by 2 sine cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. This is the question, LHS. Now one thing we can see very clearly here, I can take what? Sine theta common. So let's take it. What it will be? 2 and cube is there, 1 I have taken, so sine square theta. Here also cube is there, cos, so we can take here cos theta is common. So 2 cos square theta, it will be minus 1. Okay, dear students. Okay, so you have to always keep in your mind that RHS, what is the RHS? Tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta we are already getting, it will be giving us our tan theta. So whatever changes you want to do, you have to do it here. This one don't touch it. So sin theta by cos theta. Now you see here it is 1 minus sin square theta, here is 2 cos square theta. So we'll change this one in term of sin, sorry, in term of cos. So it will be minus, so sin theta square theta, I have told you it is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? So we'll use that formula, 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and down we keep it as it is. Okay, so in the next step, sin theta 1 multiply it, minus 1 minus 2 into 2, 1 minus 2 minus plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, got it? So I'm writing down here the next step. Okay, so let's give it sin theta as it is, sin theta. Now here it is minus 2 plus 1 minus 2, so it will be minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta. I'm writing every steps, okay? I'm not skipping one step also, so that there should not be any confusion for you to understand. Okay, sin theta by cos theta, so we write cos square theta minus 1. If I want, I can skip these steps also, but the thing is you may get confused. That's why I have written it. So my dear students, you should learn it properly. So let's skip the minus second, plus first. So 2 cos square theta minus 1, I have brought it minus this side. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this one and this one can be cancelled. So you will get what? Sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. Hence proved. Got it, dear students? So this question is also very simple questions. Okay. It was also very simple questions, so we have done it. So you can pause the video and take it down. I feel that still little bit time, we have 8 minutes. I think in 8 minutes I can do question number 8. So remaining 2 questions I will do it in the next videos. Okay, so let's take down question number 8. You can pause the video and you can take down. Okay, so trigonometry, this chapter, if you are done properly, you can expect some good marks from trigonometry. Okay, and chapter 9 is there, height and distance. That one also will be doing, we will start in the next videos. Okay, but first of all, before going to height and distance, exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 from Academymaster by Sir, you please go and watch those videos properly. Okay. Okay, so question number 8. What is the question? Question is sin A plus cosec A whole square. Sin A plus cosec A whole square. Cos A plus sec A, cos A plus sec A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. See, dear students, these questions, it is not only important in the board examination. Once it was asked in Nbse examinations, okay, for 4 to 5 marks for teacher recruitments. So that's why I used to tell all of you that class 10 is the foundation, 9, 10 is the foundation. So if you learn it properly, not only in for the science student, but for arts students also, when you go for appearing public service examinations and all, this class 10 and 9, the mathematics, it will help you a lot. So try to learn it properly. Okay, dear students. So let's write LHS. So what is it? Sin A plus cos A cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. So it will be equals to what? We'll apply the formula A plus B the whole square. So it will be sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Similarly, here also we are going to apply the formula A B. So it will be cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Okay. Next, we'll write here sin square A. You know, all of you very well, I have given you on formula 1 plus cos square theta equals to cosec square theta, right? So this is the rough work. We'll use this formula here. Cosec square theta, we can write it as 1 plus cos square, not theta, here it is A, so we'll write A. 2 into sin A, and cosec, we can write it as what? 1 by sine. I have already told you this. Then cos square A, and sec, we can write it as what? I have told you 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A. This is one formula. Those who have not watched my videos on trigonometry part 2, 3, 1, please watch it. I'll share the link in the descriptions. You can go there and watch it, okay? So that you will, then only you come to this exercise, so that you will understand, okay? So cos square A, sec square A, I can write it as what? 1 plus tan square A plus 2 cos A. Sec is what? I can write it as 1 by cos A. Okay, fine. So in the next step, we'll write here sin square A, and here it is cos square A. So bring it together. So cos square A, sin square and cos square A, bring it together. Then here we have got what? 1. Then we have got here also 1. Then we have the okay, so 2 sin A into 1 by sin A plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. So you can cancel it, this one, this cancel. So sin square A cos square A, it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 2. One thing I left it, that is cot square A plus tan square A. Tan square cot square, we have written it here. So 2 plus 2 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, dear students, so here we have proved LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can take it down. This questions looks a little difficult, but it is very simple one. It's a good quality questions. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can take it down. So here we come to the end of today's lecture. Okay, I was planning to do all the 10 questions here, but since the video has already exceeded 1 hour, so I don't want to make much lengthy one. In the next video I will do the remaining 2 questions, and then we will be switching on to chapter number 9. Okay, height and distance. So dear students, if you are new to the channel and till now you have not subscribed the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends so that maximum students can get help from my efforts. Okay, dear students, with that regards, I wind up, and thank you so much.